Welcome back to a new Animal Company video. It's me, Timmy.
What's up?
Yeah, he has been in a lot of videos because he's never wanting to do any video. I'm just kidding.
Sure.
So, crafting updates here. Yeah, so I'm gonna be showing a little bit around. They did change the animation of, you know, yeah, Rocky
I'm
Booka Booka. Cave Boy. Cave Boy. That's a good name for. They changed the animations for him walking go like dude. Right, Timmy, you look goofy?
Goofy, yeah, booty cheeks.
Okay, what they added, it's not really over there. It's more like over here. So these two, they're connecting, and when they, when you put these on, like, you know, like the bottom of that ball, and you put like goo, and you put like, I guess this on it, it'll basically just like, you know, you can basically make them walk now. So this is to activate it, the arms, and what is this? Ring, blah blah blah. And they got metal ball, metal plate, metal rod. Okay, good thing I said metal triangle. Best thing ever. Bread. No, it's a plank. Remote control. Yeah, and then left arm. Yeah. And then they also added loadouts. So like apparently, so if you if I get this flashbang, it's in my loadout. So if I do save loadout, and let's say I just damn items. Oh no. I do this, and I get it back. So like. Timmy's doing some experiments right now. Wait, I want to try something. Mr. Scully. Oh, so it can be denied? Crazy. Okay. Timmy. Are you alive? I'm just kidding. Come on, Timmy. Let's go check out the... What are you making? Come on, Timmy. Let's go check out the Cave Boy animations. Tim. Timmy. What did you build? Yeah, so me and Timmy, we are broke. Yeah, right, Timmy? We're broke.
Yeah.
So, don't expect
I
like
got $11.
yeah, $11. And if you come over here, oh, that's Mimic. Yeah. Oh, never mind. Now over here. No. Don't go coming over here slowly. I think it's up here. No, upwards. Oh, where is Cave Boy? Timmy, did you eat Cave Boy again?
No.
Yeah, sure you didn't. Bro, Mimic! Stop! Oh, that's two. Never mind. Never mind. Y'all good? Oh, cook. Blood.
I'm gonna do it.
Yeah, wait. Hey, there he is. Why he walked like that? Ah! Yo, W? Look at this goofy animation. But also W animation. Oh! Right, Timmy? W animation? Oh my god.
What the heck?
Trying to throw hands. Finally, this Cave Boy finally got new animations. Oh my god.
Ah.
Goop. Timmy, stop torturing him. Timmy. Oh, God.
Yes. Life. This.
Oh, he missed. He
Wow.
missed. He missed. Why he walked like
Hold
that?
it.
He walked like he crippled. Oh, you got hit, Timmy. Ooh. Ooh, you got hit by Mr. Boombalala. Mr. Boombalala. Boombalala. Okay, I think we should go, Timmy, before we make him mad. Come on, Timmy. Hey, where are you? What is he doing? Oh my God. No. No. Timmy, I think I fell. No. I fell. Timmy, where are you? Oh, finally, Timmy. Oh my gosh. No. Oh, where do I go? Where do I go? Oh, this way. You got the umbrella mixed with the ball. I'm gonna beat Timmy. Oh, geez, why is he flying? Me and Timmy would do the what's it called? This little thingy, but well, you see right here, I'm broke, so we can't afford all that. So. By the way, unless if you're like rich and you want to get every single item in the game, don't buy this because you can just get it from like the Goo Goo monster that's in that cave where the Labubus are. I don't know why Timmy's so quiet right now. Normally he's screaming. Timmy, stop torturing. Timmy! Timmy, are you alive? I'm a bullet. Where'd you go?
Help me.
Timmy!
Help me.
Timmy! No, bad boy Timmy. Hey, stop running away. Come here. Boing, 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 boing. Oh my, stop. Boing. Yeah, so. I want to buy something. Wait, hold on. Can I cook? Yo! Timmy! I got shield. What you gonna do, huh? What the? Timmy, you can't hit me. I have a shield. Where the? Hey! Hey! Hey!
Yeah.
Shing! Yeah, you can't hit me, Timmy. Really, Timmy? Shh. Timmy won't know. I don't want to. Oh, Timmy's gonna get mad at me. Timmy, stop flying! I almost throw this ball at Timmy. Bruh. Okay. Well, that was mostly the video. When me and Timmy get more money, right, Timmy? When we get more money, we'll do like a bigger video about this. Right?
Yeah.
Trust me, he's not gonna miss. No, I'm just kidding. He might miss him. Right, Timmy? You're gonna miss him. Because he has to focus on his school work. Right,
Yeah.
Tim? Yeah.
No.
Yeah, you do.
No.
What do you mean? Yesterday, you were asking me to do a video all day, but you had to do your homework. You. Yeah, he was literally coming up to me every single 5 seconds. Talk about me and him doing the update, but he had to do his homework. He wanted to play. No, no. Yeah, you can't get out. What the? What? What? Cave Divers Be Like Part 2? Yo! I got out! I got out. Oh. Well, I guess it's our disappearance. Well, I'm gonna disappear now. 3, 2, 1. Ah! No!